Hello everyone, this is Shivagami from SNS College of Engineering as I am an assistant professor in the Department of EIDS. Now we are going to learn about the topic as notations. In notations, pseudocode, flowchart and then programming languages. First one is algorithm notations. It is expressing algorithms. An algorithm is a sequence of finite set of instructions often used for calculation and data processing. Algorithm can be expressed in many kind of notations including pseudocode, flowchart and then programming languages. What is meant by pseudocode? Definition. Pseudocode is a detailed description of what a computer program or algorithm must do expressed in a formally stylized natural languages rather than in the programming languages. Pseudocode is sometimes used as the detailed step in the process of developing a program. Here I am given one example. Compute the area of rectangle. Get the length L and width W. Compute the area equal to L star W. Display the area. Compute the perimeter of the rectangle. Read length N. Read width W. Compute perimeter 2 star L plus 2 star W. Display the perimeter of a rectangle. What is flowchart? A flowchart is the diagram that graphically represents the structure of the system, the flow of steps in a process. Algorithm or the sequence of the steps and descriptions and for executing a process or solution of a program. Flowcharts are easy to understand diagrams that show how the steps of the process fit together. Flowchart symbols. Flowcharts tends to consist the four main symbols linked with the arrows that show the directions of the flow. Elongated circles which signify the starts or end of the process. Elongated circles. Rectangles which shows the instructions or actions. Diamonds which highlight where you must take a decision. Parallelograms which shows the input and the output. Here I give the symbols and the symbol name, then a description of the symbols. Okay. Here I give a symbol is arrow mark, flow lines. Symbol name flow lines used to connect the symbols, and then the terminal symbols. The start and stop terminals are used. These symbols used to start the pass and are head in the program logic. And then next symbol is used to input output, represents the information entering or leaving the system. Then next symbol is used for the processing, represent arithmetic and logical instructions. Next symbol is used to decision, represents the decision to made. Then the connector used to join the different flow lines. Subfunction. Next symbol is used for the subfunctions, used to call function. Then here I give a one flowchart example to find the sum of two numbers. First we are going to start the program, then read n1 and n2, then sum equal to n1 plus n2, then print the sum, then stop. And then here we give the example for grade students pass or fail. Okay. Then next topic is programming languages. As we know, to communicate with a person, we need a specific language similar to the communicate with the computers. Programmers also need a language is called programming language. Yes, here what is it? We want to communicate with anyone, we must know the language. We must know, we must communicate with them by the language. The programming language are not kind of computer language and are used in computer programming to implement the algorithm. Most programming languages consist of instructions for computer. A programming language is a computer language that is used by programmers. The programming languages is the computer language that is used by the programmers to communicate with computers. It is a set of instructions written in any specific languages, C, C++, or Java, Python, to perform a specific task. Here, computer. There are three types of computer languages. One is low level language, then another one is middle level language, then next one is high level language. The low level language means machine codes. The language is written in zeros and ones. It's a binary. For example, is binary languages. Then the middle level language use the mnemonics to create instructions. It's in middle level language is called the assembly. For example, assembly level language. High level languages similar to the human languages, Copal, Python, Basic, C, C++, and Java. Low level languages. Low level languages is the machine depends zeros and ones programming languages. The process runs low level language programs directly without the need of compiler or interpreter. So the programs written in low level language can be run very fast. Low level language is further divided into two parts. One is machine level language, another one is assembly language. Machine level language. In machine level language is called is called as the bytecode. It's a low level programming language. The programs are written in zeros and ones. Then assembly language. Assembly language is also a type of lower level language that is designed for the specific process. It is used an assembler to convert the assembly language into machine level language. Next one is the high level programming language. High level programming language is designed for the developing user friendly software program and websites. This programming language requires the compiler or interpreter to translate the program into the machine level language. High level programming languages includes the Python, Java, C, C++. Here I give a reference books also for these topics. Please go through. Thank you so much.